Yes, Patrick, sa pagdinig ng Senado hinggil pa rin sa mga issue ng Pogo sa bansa, may pinakawala na alegasyon si Senadora Risa Hontiveros kay Michael Yang, yung dating economic advisor sa panahon ng Duterte administration. Nagpresenta si Hontiveros ng larawan kung saan kasama ni Yang ang sinasabi umanong self-confessed spy na si Xie Zhijiang.
Michael Yang is a key actor in Chinese intelligence operations here. Michael Yang nasangkot sa Pharmally and, if the reports are accurate, sa drug operations dito. Michael Yang, the economic advisor ng dating Pangulo. Ginatasan na tayo, pinagtaksilan pa.
Hindi pinayagan, Patrick, ng korte si dating Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo na makadalo sa pagdinig. Ito ay dahil sa kasabay na schedule ng kanyang hearing sa korte na itinakda rin ngayong araw. Ang National Intelligence Coordinating Agency naman may isiniwalat na impormasyon tungkol kay Guo. Sabi ng NICA, sa katanungan kung spy ba si Guo o foreign intelligence agent, hindi pa nila ito matukoy. Pero ang makukumpirma nila base raw sa historical context ay isang agent of influence si Guo.
What is applicable on the part of Ms. Guo Huaping is that she uses her influence, her stature, or her position to influence public opinion or decision-making to produce results beneficial to the country whose services they benefit from. So to that effect, Madam Chair, that is applicable to her, and therefore she may be classified as such.
Humarap naman, Patrick, sa pamagitan ng video conferencing si Wang Fugwei, ang sinasabing dating cellmate ni Xie. At iginit ang kahalagahan na makausap din si Xie dahil sa bigat ng mga impormasyong hawak nito.
Mr. Wang, did you also mean that there are Filipinos working against the interests of the Philippines?
Yes, that is correct. Based on the information that is provided by Mr. Xie, but of course we have to confirm.
Do you have in the decrypted files the names of Filipino citizens?
I apologize if I cannot provide this information because again, this is information from Mr. Xie.
Why is it important for governments like the Philippines to speak to Xie?
The files that are in Mr. Xie's possession right now, they are really enormous. They are big. They're a lot, and for the countries who would like to advocate for peace and for other countries, maybe this will be very useful for them.
Patrick, sa punto ito kakatapos lang ng pagdinig ng Senado hinggil nga sa usapin ng Pogo at inaasang ito na rin yung huling pagdinig nila. At Patrick, sa susunod na step niyan ay gagawa naman ng committee report yung komite na nag-iimbestiga hinggil sa mga usapin ng Pogo sa bansa. Patrick?
Maraming salamat, Daniel Manalastas.